you will get a question that looks something like this, where, it's just gives you a bunch of information, and then you're going to be asked questions about probability with them. So I'm going to show you how to make a two-way table from a question like this. Okay, I'm going to put in my totals. Okay, here's what I know. 100 people were surveyed, so I got 100 total people. 45 have been to New York, 56 have been to Florida, 18 have been to both. So what this tells me is that New York and Florida both have to be categories, but they both have to be overlapping categories at some point, because it talks about how they've been to both. So I can go Florida, and I can put New York, and I know that 18 have been to both. So then it becomes, well, what goes next to those categories? Well, what goes next is actually the category's complement, where it's opposite. So these would be people who have not been to Florida, or people who have not been to New York. So here's what I know. I know 45 people have been to New York. I know 56 have been to Florida, and then 18 have been to both. Well, now we just kind of fill in the gaps from there using subtraction. So we know that this is 55, and I'm pulling out my calculator. 56 minus 18, 38, 55 minus 38, 17, 45 minus 18 is 27, and now I can add those together, or I can do subtraction, and I get 44. And now it's being able to answer the probability questions just like before.